Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to make a withdrawal from the Limitless back office. First thing you need to do is make sure you've got sufficient TRX for the gas fees to allow the transfer to occur, or you can rent the energy. Rental of energy, there's lots of video tutorials about that. If you're not sure, go to the person who referred you and they can explain that, or do a search on our Crowd Tycoons channel for how to rent energy. Now, when you bring up the profile page of your account, you'll see a couple of things. You'll see your rewards. You've got the amount you can claim and your total rewards. Total rewards is the amount of rewards that have been earned up to now, including the breakage pools and any rewards from the unilevel 10-level pay plan. Every 24 hours, they actually run the commission calculation. So the amount you can claim is the amount that is available since the closure of the last 24-hour pay run, less any withdrawals you've already made. This account has not made any withdrawals so far, so we're going to withdraw the total amount. So we click on claim, then we sign the process. We click on go back to profile to view what's happening. It's now loading with the smart contract and performing the withdrawal. So again, the actual pay run is done every 24 hours. It's not paid directly into your wallet. It's actually built up in your back office, and you need to go in there and claim that to your TronLink Pro wallet, or your Token Pocket, or your Clever wallet, or your TronLink Chrome extension account. So basically you need to go in there and manually withdraw whenever you want to. The commissions are not automatically paid, and you can see here that's been deducted and it is now in the actual wallet, and the amount is 0. If we go and check the wallet, we check the transactions, and there is the deposit of 6383. So everything has happened as it should be. So that's how you make a withdrawal from the Limitless system.